So the iPhone SE4. Today in this video we will talk about this mobile's complete features and everything, release date and the price and everything. So this iPhone SE4 mobile is going to release by the end of this year or by the start of the next year, 2025. So let's start with this mobile's display. It comes with a 6.1 inches of QD display and it is a Retina XDR OLED display. Super Retina XDR OLED display, and it is a 60Hz, not the 120Hz refresh rate display. It's a just regular 60Hz refresh rate display from the Apple side, and it is a display which supports HDR10 plus content and as well as Dolby Vision also. This mobile also comes with a ceramic shield protection. Yeah. When we talk about this mobile's processor, it comes with the latest Apple A18 Bionic chip, which is faster than the older generation A18 chip, which is equal to the chip used in iPhone 16 and 16 Plus, not the Pro ones. And when you talk about this mobile, it might comes with a 8GB RAM variant and 128GB internal storage, as well as 8GB RAM to 56GB internal storage variants. So when we talk about the cameras, it might comes with only one single camera, that is a 48 megapixels of main wide angle camera. But according to the news now that which are saying like this mobile is capable of taking ultra wide as well as 2x telephoto zoom cameras with zoom photos with this single camera. So we have to wait and see. For the front, it comes with a 12 megapixels of front facing selfie camera, which you can use to shoot up to 1080p 120 fps. By the way, you can shoot to 4K 60 fps with the back camera. When we talk about the battery, we don't know the exact milliamperes, but it does comes with a huge battery, I think more than 3500 milliamperes, and it supports 25 watts of fast charge through wire, and it also supports wireless charge. I don't know the exact watts, but the leak says that it might support the fast charge, the 25 watts of fast charge through wire and the wireless charge as well. When we talk about this mobile's build quality, it comes with a total aluminum build frame and front back glasses with the ceramic shield protection. When we talk about this mobile's multimedia, it comes with the stereo speakers, no 3.5mm jack as well. And when we talk about the connectivity, it comes with the Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support and Bluetooth 5.4, which is the latest features in all the mobiles. And this might also comes with the NFC and IR blaster, in my opinion. And this mobile comes with different lot of colors, because this is a iPhone SE version mobile, so it can be available in like up to 6 colors. I think I will leave a link to that site in the description box down below whenever it releases. And so these are the features of this mobile. By the way, this mobile also comes with the IP68 water and dust resistant certification. And when we talk about the box contents, according to the news now, this mobile doesn't comes with any charger included like the other Apple mobiles, and this mobile comes with just Type-C to Type-C cable and quick start guide and some some papers and stuff like that. So this is all about the mobile itself. When we talk about the operating system, it comes with the iOS 18, which is the latest iOS from the Apple side. So these are the features of this mobile. And when we talk about the price, this mobile might comes with a price tag of like 49,000 rupees, or in between 49,000 to 53,000 rupees, in between that price range. The mobiles releases and purchase this mobile and enjoy. By the way, I have also made videos about the iPhone 16 Pro Max versus S24 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro versus the S24 Ultra. So you can watch them by going to the description box and clicking the link, as well as here in this iCard section links also. So that's it for the video. Hit the like button and also the subscribe and share button. So thanks for watching.